Hello, good afternoon. This is the presentation of water monitoring device to test for the potability of water on rivers or anything na pinagkukuhanan ng water source ng isang village or maybe rural areas like wells or deep wells. Okay, so mga rural areas kasi doon yung kanilang main water source. So these are our sensors na ginagamit. We have the turbidity sensor to check for the solid particles na nasa loob ng water. So this sensor, pwede niyang ma-check kung madumi yung water, like dust, meron siyang mga dust doon sa loob. Another one is we have this electrical conductivity sensor. So itong electrical conductivity, yun yung kanyang sensor talaga, yung probe. So kaya niyang ma-measure kung ano yung salinity at saka yung mga minerals, mga metals na meron sa water. I think meron explanation doon. Pwede natin i-pause by Google. This one is the temperature, waterproof temperature sensor. So, and the last one is pH. This is actually the most important, maybe one of the most important talaga dito. Kasi water is better kapag nasa part siya ng alkaline, but not too much. Tapos, hindi talaga pwedeng inumin yung water na acidic. Like seawater or vinegar or something like that. So, ito yung kanilang mga adapter and all connected, placed beautifully sa ating Arduino Mega, which is our main microcontroller. We have SD card na nag-data log. And then, we have this DS3231 RTC, and we have the GSM. Tapos yung ating 12 volts power supply, single power supply, at saka yung LCD na 20x4. So ang system natin is quite a smart system. Actually, pwede natin gamitin yung maraming iba't ibang klase ng GSM commands because GSM based ito siya. So pwede na, by the way, before natin since wala pa siyang casing, meron ding casing yung mga sensor. Bale, gagawin natin as one itong sensor. Meron siyang parang bilog na dish, tapos ilalagay lang doon yung mga sensor, tapos ididikit siya doon. So bale, yung parang dish na yun ang ilalagay natin sa tubig. Gagawin natin siyang lalagyan ng part sa side na pwede siyang mag-float sa tubig. So pwede mo siyang ilagay lang sa river, and then pabayaan na doon yung sensors. So hindi rin pwedeng iwan yung sensor na ganito. So lalagyan natin siya ng casing, as well as yung device lalagyan din siya ng casing. So to start, kailangan lang natin i-power up ito siya. Okay, by the way, meron lang akong dalawa dito. Meron akong drinking water dito. This is actually a mineral water. Tapos doon naman sa kabila, that is vinegar na may halong tubig. This is just to test yung kanyang potability. Okay. So, pag power up natin, lalabas sa kanya yung initializing device. By the way, ito yung admin ngayon. Okay. Admin number. Admin, by the way, can be passed on to different numbers. So, pwede mo lang ipasa yung device. Let's say sa leader ng barangay or something like that. Or sa health worker. So, this, para malaman nila kung yung tubig is still safe to drink. Okay. So, kung nakita natin, pag hindi ko siya nilalagay, automatically, kasi wala namang siyang mini-measure, not potable kagad. So, we have the temperature, 27.44. We have the turbidity, 2862. This is in NTU. We have the EC, 0.00. This is in millisiemens per meter. And we have the pH. pH siya ng hangin. So, I think, yan yung natitirang tubig doon. Okay. So, makikita natin kagad dito sa ating LCD kung potable ba siya or not. Meron siyang remarks. As well as, nare-record yan siya sa SD card. And then, actually, pwede natin kunin dito sa GSM. Okay. Although, this is not complete. This is the preliminary video. Gusto lang natin ipakita yung kanyang detection. So, ilalagay ko yung mga sensor dito sa may tubig. Which is actually potable since ito yung galing sa, so pag nilagay natin siya dyan, lalabas dito yung kanilang reading. Ang easy niya is actually 0.00 because this is distilled, so wala siyang contamination. Ang turbidity, by the way, ang higher value ng turbidity means mas malinis yung ating tubig. So wala siyang solid particles or what, mas clear ba siya. Wala siyang mga dust inside. Temperature is 27, pH is 7.07. So remarks niya is potable. So if we try to use, okay, itong vinegar, so ilalagay natin dito yung mga sensor. So okay, hindi umabot yung isa. So ilalagay natin dito yung mga sensor. So as you can see, makikita natin kaagad na magsasabi siya ng not potable kasi yung kanyang electrical conductivity is 3.86, meaning it's very conductive, masyadong mataas yung kanyang salinity. Tapos although yung pH kaya hindi pa masyado, bababa pa rin ng bababa kasi ang pH ng vinegar is around 4 to 5. Ang turbidity niya is 1970, clear pa rin naman siya, wala naman masyadong dust yung ating vinegar. Pero kung makikita natin yung kanyang electrical conductivity, it's spikingly high. Kasi dapat less than 1 lang yan siya. Meaning wala talaga siyang wala siyang easy. Meaning wala talaga siya dapat na heavy metals or any acidic component. Tapos yung pH is nasa around 5. Actually bumababa na siya hanggang 4. Kaya pala hindi masyadong mabilis yung pag-change ng pH kasi nandito siya sa taas. So, ilalagay ko siya dun sa baba. Okay. So, nasa 4.67. So, ang remarks niya is not potable. It means this cannot be drink. Hindi siya pwedeng inumin kasi masyado siyang acidic. Number 2 is meron siyang contamination na hindi talaga for water. By the way, before yun, yung system natin can actually send SMS. Okay. So, di-declare ko yung GPS coordinates niya sa KCC Mall de Zamboanga. So, pag nag-text ka ng map, okay. So, ang GPS cord dito na command, other SMS command, since this is the initial video, magagawa din naman ako ulit ng video when I created the casing as well as yung casing ng mga sensor para hindi na ganitong naghahalo-halo. I'll just be giving another value for for that, okay, another video for yung total talaga na yung final video talaga ng system. So I guess that's all for this initial video. Okay. By the way, ito yung kanilang mga adapter. So dito lang yung casing ng sensors, then yung wires, then adapter dito sa side. Ito sa loob to siya lahat ng casing. Ito lang talaga yung nasa labas yung mga sensors.